Good morning, children. Welcome to the second class. See, just as for the yesterday's class, today we'll discuss a few more points. So, while you're writing an element like A belongs to A, where A equals to, for example, if I write here A comma B comma C, that means A is an element in the set A. We will write like this one. For example, if you write here D does not belongs to A, means D is not an element in the set A. While you're writing this is A, right set. Okay, this is belongs to symbol. This is does not belong to symbol. While you're writing A, don't write like this. For example, A belongs to set A. If you write like this one, again this is a set. In this set, this is an element. But A is completely one set which is consist of ABC elements. So don't write like this. This is completely wrong approach. So the correct approach is you should write only the set name itself. Don't go with the again brackets. While you keeping the brackets, it means again it is a set. In this set, A is an element. Capital A is an element. So you can write like this one. D does not belong to A is correct process. For example, if you write like this one, again it is wrong because this is also element. Again this is also element. So don't go with this concept. Now coming to the exercise, one subject here. Which of the following are sets? Justify your answer. Yesterday I told you to do the sums. Many of you have written well, good. The collection of here they don't ask you to write the set names. Just they're asking whether the following is set or not a set. No set, not a set. The collection of all the months of year beginning with the letter J. So with the letter J, we know that January, June, July. Even if you ask someone also, they'll say the answer is January, June, July. That means it is a well-defined collection. Means it is a set. The collection of 10 most talented writers of India. 10 most talented. You don't know. According to me, talented means subject oriented. If you take someone, according to someone, friction oriented, dramatic oriented. So different people will have different ideas to check that whether he is talented or not. So when they use the word called talented, definitely it is not a set. So I'll give you a clue that if any like statement consists of adjectives, adjective means here talented, best, good, sweetest, something like adjectives. If it comes here in the English statements, definitely it is not a set. So 10 most talented, definitely not a set. Best cricket batsman, not a set. The collection of all boys, it is set. The collection of all even integers, it is set. So like the same way, 0 is an element in A, so belongs to. 3 is an element in C. No, it's not an element in C, so does not belong to. Like this, you have to fill up these. Now the element X does not belong to A. You know how to write here X, the symbol. Like X does not belong to A. Right? Like this you should write. So fill up like this one. Now coming to this one. State whether the statements are true or false. When we coming this example, 8 by 11 belongs to Z, where Z is the set of integers. But 8 by 11 is a fraction, means a rational number. So definitely this statement is wrong statement because 8 by 11 does not belong to Z. Clear? So this is a false statement. Now coming to the next part, write the following sets in roster form. Roster form in the sense list form. Set a natural number less than 6. Natural number starting from 1 onwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Less than, so don't take the 6. Less than or equal to 6 means you have to consider 6 also. The same way, X is a 2-digit number such that sum of its digits is 8. Sum of digits is 8 in the sense 26, 17, 35, 44. Again reverse it, 53, 44 reverse the same number will come, 62, 71. So while you write all these in a single element, like that is a set. So like this you write the other two. Now you should write these answer in the set builder form. So I will just tell you this how to write set builder form. One subject here. 3, 6, 9, 12. 3, 6, 9, 12. By observing this, you can clearly get an idea that these are the multiples of 3. For example, if I write here A is equal to 3, 6, 9, 12. So how to write here A equals to, I told you already, set of all X such that X equals to 3 into Y. Multiples of 3. So 3 into Y. What is the y value? Again a natural number and less than or equals to 4. Why 4 in the sense? What is the y value less than or equals to 4 in the sense? What are the possibilities of y here? Possibilities are 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The possibilities, because I told you y belongs to n and y less than or equals to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Y value, if you take 1, 3 into 1, 3. If you take 2, 3 into 2, 6. That is x value. So we'll come here. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, 12. So previous class I explained all this. So whenever you have like this multiples, take the condition here, x equals to 3y. So for example, if I can see here, second set 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So these are not multiples of 2. Actually these are multiples of 2 only, but this is 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 not there, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 16. So but not coming. But if you can observe, this is 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, like this powers are 2 power 5 that 2. So then already here a equals something set to whatever you mentioned here. Set of all x says that x equals to 2 power y. 2 power y, where y belongs to natural number and y less than or equals to 5. And y less than or equals to 5, y will, so y value 1 onwards comes here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will come. Now the another example, 5, 25, 125, 625. Same thing I observe here. 5 power 1, 5 power 2, 5 power 3, 5 power 4. You write by your own. Now coming to this one, 1, 4, 9, 25 and so on, 100. This is 1, 4, 9, 20. Clearly connected 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 okay. 16 not there, okay. 5 square and so on, 10 square. So outer here set up for something C if I mention x says that x equals to, what is it here, y square, where y belongs to n and y less than or equals to 10. And the set of all natural numbers, y square, y value 1, 2, 3, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, those will be x and that x is correcting. This is set builder form. So clearly observe and write children, because set builder form only important, that only takes some time to understand. Now the next one, list all the elements in the set roster form. Natural number greater than 50, less than 100. So you can write here greater than 50 means 51, 52, 53, 54 and so on. Less than 100, don't count 100, it becomes till 99. Now x is an integer, x square equals to 4. X square equals to 4 is the condition. Then what is the x value will be? X square equals to 4. In the sense x equals to root 4. Means plus or minus 2 will come. That means x equals to either 2 or minus 2. Then you can write it as b equals to minus 2 comma 2 or 2 comma minus 2. This is the way you have to write. Now letter in the word loyal. L comma O comma Y comma A. Again no need to write L. Already we discussed yesterday class. Now match the roster form with the set builder form. 1, 2, 3, 6. What are these? 2, 3. What are these? MATHEICS. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Here prime number and divisor of 6. Odd natural number less than 10. Natural number and divisor of 6. A letter of the word mathematics. Clearly mathematics is clear. So remaining you try it and I'll tell you whether right or wrong. I'll tell you. So this is today's class, and do by your own, and just you can submit with the page. So please write everything in a separate notebook and start writing. Okay. Now tomorrow class I'll explain you how many different types of sets are available and everything. Then further we will complete the exercise 2.2. Like this, one by one we'll discuss. Okay children, so I gave you one PDF textbook, this same textbook. If you don't have textbook, that PDF you can open it and check out. Clearly you can see. Otherwise I'm just showing you this one. Okay na? Okay, thank you children. Bye.